The comprehensive role of bitters in herbal medicine. Bitters are a category of herbs defined by their distinct bitter taste, which stimulates a wide range of physiological processes. While their primary association is with digestion, their actions extend far beyond the gastrointestinal system, impacting nearly every system in the body. This video explains the comprehensive role of bitters, including their effects on the body's systems, the role of T2R, taste receptor type 2 receptors, and their influence on the vagus nerve and parasympathetic nervous system. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not meant to diagnose, treat, or cure any illness, ailment, or disease. The science of bitters and T2R receptors. The bitter taste is detected by specialized receptors called T2R receptors, which are part of the G protein-coupled receptor family. These receptors are located not only on the tongue, but also throughout the body, including in the gastrointestinal tract, lungs, and immune cells. When bitters interact with T2R receptors, a cascade of physiological responses is triggered. T2R receptors in the mouth and beyond. Taste and salivation. The interaction of bitters with T2R receptors on the tongue initiates a neural response that stimulates salivary glands. This prepares the mouth for digestion by breaking down carbohydrates and enhancing enzymatic activity. Gut signaling. T2R receptors in the gastrointestinal tract detect bitters and trigger the release of digestive enzymes and bile. This action optimizes the breakdown and absorption of nutrients. Immune modulation. In respiratory and immune cells, T2R activation helps detect and respond to bacterial toxins. This can enhance immune defense mechanisms by stimulating the production of antimicrobial peptides. Activation of the vagus nerve and the parasympathetic nervous system. The vagus nerve, a critical component of the parasympathetic nervous system, is directly influenced by the intake of bitters. The bitter taste stimulates the vagus nerve via its afferent fibers, sending signals from the gut to the brain. This activation triggers a shift from the sympathetic, fight or flight, to the parasympathetic, rest and digest state. Effects of vagus nerve activation. Improved digestion. Enhanced vagal tone increases the secretion of digestive juices, including gastric acid, pancreatic enzymes, and bile, all essential for efficient digestion. Reduction in stress. Activating the parasympathetic nervous system reduces cortisol levels, promoting relaxation and counteracting the effects of chronic stress. Gut-brain axis. Vagal stimulation improves communication between the gut and brain, which has far-reaching effects on mood, cognitive function, and even sleep quality. Systemic actions of bitters. Digestive system. Bitters are best known for their profound effects on digestion. Upon stimulation of T2R receptors, a chain reaction occurs. Gastric secretions. Bitters promote the release of hydrochloric acid in the stomach, aiding in the breakdown of proteins and absorption of minerals, such as calcium and magnesium. Bile production. By stimulating the liver and gallbladder, bitters enhance bile production and flow, essential for fat digestion and detoxification. Enzyme secretion. The pancreas releases amylase, protease, and lipase in response to bitters, ensuring thorough nutrient breakdown and absorption. Liver and detoxification. Bitters are hepatoprotective, supporting liver function in several ways. Phase 1 and 2 detoxification. They enhance the liver's ability to process and eliminate toxins. Choleretic action. Bitters increase bile flow, aiding in the excretion of waste products, including excess hormones and toxins. Immune system. T2R receptors in immune cells detect bacterial byproducts and toxins. The activation of these receptors by bitters can stimulate immune defense, increase the production of antimicrobial peptides, regulate inflammation, modulate inflammatory pathways, reducing excessive immune responses. Endocrine system. Bitters indirectly influence the endocrine system by improving digestion and nutrient absorption, which are crucial for hormone synthesis. Additionally, blood sugar regulation. Bitters improve insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism, supporting balanced blood sugar levels. Cardiovascular system. By reducing stress through parasympathetic activation and improving liver detoxification, bitters contribute to cardiovascular health. Cholesterol regulation. Enhanced bile production aids in the excretion of excess cholesterol. Blood pressure modulation. Improved vagal tone helps regulate blood pressure by calming the nervous system. Nervous system. Bitters support the nervous system by activating the parasympathetic branch. This contributes to stress reduction. decreased cortisol levels. Improved sleep. Enhanced vagal tone can promote restful sleep. Cognitive clarity. Better gut-brain communication supports focus and mental clarity. Respiratory system. T2R receptors in the lungs respond to bitters by clearing mucus, stimulating the production of thin, clear mucus to remove pathogens. Antimicrobial effects, enhancing the body's defense against respiratory infections. Additional benefits of bitters. Appetite regulation. Bitters can curb excessive appetite or stimulate a healthy one, depending on the body's needs. Weight management. Improved digestion and bile flow aid in fat metabolism and weight balance. Skin health. By supporting detoxification and reducing inflammation, bitters improve conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Practical use of bitters. Methods of administration. Tinctures. A few drops of a bitter tincture before meals can stimulate digestion. Teas. Herbal teas made from bitter herbs like dandelion root or gentian provide gentle stimulation. Capsules. For those who cannot tolerate the taste, capsules offer a practical alternative. Precautions. Excessive use. Overuse of bitters can lead to irritation of the stomach lining in sensitive individuals. Contraindications. Those with conditions like gastritis or active ulcers should consult a healthcare provider before using bitters. Bitters are an invaluable tool in herbal medicine, offering holistic support for digestion, detoxification, immune health, and more. Their ability to interact with T2R receptors and stimulate the vagus nerve makes them a cornerstone of health and wellness. By bridging the gap between ancient wisdom and modern science, bitters remind us of the profound impact that taste and herbal remedies can have on the body's intricate systems.